Hello guys, welcome to Java Developers YouTube channel. In previous class, we successfully completed the conditional statements with the problems, and I have started the uploaded the video regarding the loops in Java. There are three types of loop: while, do while, and for each or enhanced for loop. You can call it too. And today we are going to discuss the problems regarding the loops. As the first concept, we discuss the problems on while loop, and our first problem is about count number of digits. Okay, first we will learn the intuition, then we will code the Java code. Okay, and if I take 1, what we have to say, like count is equals to 1, and if I enter value 1 2, okay, the count should be 2. If I enter 1 2 3, and that count should be 3. If I enter 1 2 3 4, the count should be 4. Okay, and this is our requirement for the coding. Okay, yes. And what is happening here? Before going to that, we should have an idea what is mod. Mod will give the remainder as a result, and by will gives the quotient. Right? Already we know that we had been studied in operator concepts. Okay, and let's take the user has given 1 2 3 4 is the num. Okay, let's the num for the user has given is 1 2 3 4. What I have to do? What is the initial condition of while loop? What is the base condition? While what the number user has been entered, that should be greater than 0. It must be greater than 0. Okay, that's our main condition. Okay, after that we need to take the each digit out. First we need to take the 4, then the count is equals to 1, because initially count is 0. We need to take the 4 out and we need to increment the count. Then we need to take the 3 out, then we need to remove the 4. That means remaining numbers should be 1 2 3. After that we need to take the 3 out and we need to update the count is equals to 2, and we need to remove the 3, like 12 should be there. And after that we need to take the 2, and after that we need to update the count is equals to 3, and next we need to remove the 2, it will become 1, and next we need to set like count is 4, and it will result by default as 0. So what is the final count you are going to get? As a 4, right? Yeah, that is our intuition, and we are going to write the code for that. Okay, and we can remove the each digit for the every time by using this line of code: int of remaining numbers equals to num modulo by 10. Okay, then we need to increment the count. You can use C++ or the variable what you assign for the count, or you can use like count is equals to count plus 1, or you can use like count plus equals to 1. Okay, any one of these three will work. Okay, next what is our next thing? We need to remove the digit, right, from 1 to 3. Then take num is equals to num by 10. It will remove the every digit. Okay, then at final we need to print the count. Okay, and we go for the example within the tabular format, then we are going to understand clearly. Okay, initially the count is 0, and we need to perform the remaining or the remainder, and then we need to update the count, and then we need to remove the element like num is equals to num by 10. Okay, next. Okay, initially count is 0, and the user enter 1 2 3 4 modulo by 10. What will happen if you take 1 2 3 4, which is modulo by 10, which is 123 times, that will resulted in 4, right? That means we are getting the remainder as 4. So you will get the answer like 4, and the count from 0 to it updated to 1. And if you take 123 by 10, what is the quotient you are getting? 4 is removed and we are getting 123. Okay, what is the count updated to 1, and what is the final number is updated to 123, then which is modulo of 10. Again you are going to get what? You are going to get 3, and count is updated from 1 to 2, and what is a 1 to 3 by 10? You are going to get like, it would be like 12. Okay, and the count is incremented to 2, right, after removing the 3, right? Then what should be the next thing? The final number updated is 12. Then if you perform 12 modulo by 10, you will get 2 as output, and count from 2 to updated to 3. Okay, as 12 by 10, you will get, we will remove the 2, and you will get like 1. Okay, the what is updated count is 3, right here. And what is the final result of number of updated now? 1 modulo by 10, which is 1 numerator is less than, you will get the 1, and here the count from 3 to 4 it's updated, and 1 by 10. Okay, 1 by 10 you are going to get 0.1, which that will take as 0. So the while loop condition become false. What is the while loop condition? While num must be greater than 0. So here last digit number became 0. So number which is 0, which cannot be counted. And what is the final count we are getting? We are getting 4. Right. So we will write the code for that. Okay, this is our intuition and these are the steps. And let's open the Eclipse, and I have created the class of count digits. And what is the first thing? How you can ask the user to enter the data dynamically by using the scanner class, right? Already we seen in our previous conditional statements topic, and also I have discussed total scanner class within one video in previous classes. And let's system.out.println enter number. Okay, after that you will be having like sc.nextInt for the enter type of data. Then we need to assign the variable as num. What is our while condition? Before going to that, okay, what is the while condition? Num must be greater than 0. Okay, what is the initial value of count we are taking, which is the enter type, and the count which is equals to 0, right? And int of remaining numbers is equals to number modulo by 10. That means it will use the every digit. Okay, after taking every digit, we need to increment the count, which is count plus plus. Okay, and after that we need to remove one by one element. How you will do that? Num is equals to num by 10, and at final we are printing what you are printing. We are printing the count. Okay, if I run the code, it will ask the user to enter the number. If I enter 1 2 3 4, it will give 4. Okay, and if I enter 1 2 3 4 5 6, it will give the 6. And what it will give, if I enter 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, it will give like 9. Okay, yeah, and that's all about count the number of digits with the video. And if you have any doubt, just comment below. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel.